Welcome back to the Roll and Grill, y'all. Today we're doing, guess what? Another fried fish. And this time we're doing fried tilapia. So y'all stay tuned and thank you for joining me here at the Roll and Grill. Yeah, boy! All right, y'all. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video on the red snapper, but the same deal. Gonna put some nice slashes on the side of this fish to open it up, get the seasoning in there, and also help it cook faster. And this is a bigger fish than the red snapper. This is the red snapper I cooked previously from a previous video. I'll put the link up above. As you can see, the red snapper price is much more. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. Simple treatment of salt, pepper, garlic, inside and out. Make sure you get it in the slits. Follow it up with some Sazon on both sides and inside. Fry it up in some vegetable oil for 5 minutes aside. Don't forget the tail. And then we're going to enjoy it. Enjoy the show. Guys, here we go again. This is the tilapia, and let's go ahead and get it in some grease. Guys, a good hot sauce and some chimichurri is all I need with the fried fish. This tilapia, if I had to compare it to the red snapper, I'd definitely probably go with the red snapper. The red snapper just seems to have less bones within the meat. But all in all, it was a good tasting fish. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and take a bite.